Astronomers have found clear evidence of what could be an Earth 2.0. This artist rendering shows the rocky planet identified as Proxima B orbiting the Proxima Centauri star.
This is a game changer because astronomers have hit the jackpot. This is their dream come true. A new chapter in astronomy has opened up. Now, the holy grail of astronomy is to find the closest Earth-like twin, a doppelganger in outer space. And now we've nailed it. After looking at 4,000 extrasolar planets, we finally found the closest one that looks very similar to the planet Earth, we think. We think that this planet is right in the habitable zone. Bingo, right where it has to be.
The James Webb Space Telescope has just revealed the clearest image of Proxima B we've ever seen. Proxima B, an Earth-sized planet orbiting the closest star to our solar system, could hold answers to some of humanity's most profound questions. The new image captures mysterious, unexplained lights on its surface. Could these lights indicate life, or something beyond our wildest imaginations? Let's delve into this groundbreaking discovery, one that could change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Picture this. You're standing outside at night, gazing at the stars, and you realize something extraordinary is happening just a few light years away. That's the kind of excitement fueling scientists' sleepless nights. Proxima B orbits Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor, roughly 25 trillion miles away. In the vastness of space, that's practically next door. And now, thanks to Webb's astonishing imagery, we're seeing something truly remarkable. Organized, mysterious lights on the planet's surface that are sparking questions and igniting imaginations across the globe. Before we delve deeper, it's clear that what these lights could mean is far more extraordinary than anyone expected. And this won't be the only revelation that will leave you stunned. These lights are steady, not random flares or bursts like what you might expect from a star. It's almost like there are city lights twinkling in the dark. Could this be proof of intelligent life? A society just like ours lighting up the night? No one knows for sure yet, but the possibility alone is enough to make us all think. It's as if the universe has been waiting for us to get advanced enough to see this. Have they been there all along, just hoping we'd finally notice them? The star that Proxima B orbits is much smaller and cooler than our Sun, and the planet is much closer to its star than Earth is to our Sun. This means Proxima B is in what's called the Goldilocks zone, a place where it's not too hot and not too cold, just right for liquid water, the essential ingredient for life as we know it. But it is also tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star while the other is forever shrouded in darkness. So, imagine one half of the planet in constant daylight while the other is trapped in endless night. If there's an atmosphere, it might help balance things out, making life possible. But without one, things get extreme pretty quickly. Scorching heat on one side and freezing cold on the other. With the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists can get a closer look at what's happening on this intriguing world. Webb is built to observe in infrared, which allows it to see things other telescopes can't. This means Webb can detect heat emissions, which might give us clues about what's happening in the atmosphere, if the planet even has one. And that's crucial. An atmosphere could mean liquid water, and liquid water could mean life. It's not just about finding a rocky planet, it's about finding a world that could be alive, just like ours. The next steps will involve much more exploration, utilizing both the James Webb Space Telescope and upcoming observatories like the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, which is set to become operational in a few years. The ELT, with its immense power, will allow us to examine distant atmospheres in unprecedented detail. Imagine being able to identify the gases that compose these atmospheres, whether it's oxygen, methane, or something entirely unexpected. Discovering such biosignatures would be a groundbreaking achievement. It's like an enormous game of cosmic hide-and-seek, and we might be nearing the moment we can shout, "Gotcha!" Webb's observations are just getting started, yet they've already amazed us. The telescope has detected what appears to be bright, organized lights, not random, but structured like the glow of a city. Could these lights be evidence of an advanced civilization? The idea is electrifying. Of course, we need to be careful about jumping to conclusions. It's entirely possible that these lights are just a natural phenomenon we haven't seen before. Still, the possibility of intelligent life, that's what has everyone so excited. Think about how amazing it would be. Life out there, just a few light years away. Maybe they're more advanced than us, or maybe they're just as curious about the universe as we are. If they do exist, they might be staring back at us, wondering if anyone else is out there. The thought that those lights could be someone else's streetlights, city glow, or even beacons to space travelers is thrilling. It makes us realize how little we really know about our own galaxy, let alone the universe. The lights on Proxima B seem steady and strange, leading us to look closer at this planet and the conditions that make it so fascinating. Finding life in the Goldilocks zone is an exciting prospect. Webb's powerful infrared vision can detect heat and emissions, giving us a detailed picture of the atmosphere and surface. The presence of methane, water vapor, or carbon dioxide, any of these gases, could point to biological processes. If we find them, it wouldn't be the final proof of life, but it would be a pretty strong hint. We would need follow-up observations, maybe with Webb, or perhaps with the extremely large telescope ELT, to get more details. Proxima B stands out because of its proximity and similarity to Earth. It's slightly larger, with a mass about 1.2 times that of our planet. However, the planet orbits its star much more closely than Earth orbits the Sun, exposing it to significantly higher levels of radiation. Without a thick atmosphere or a protective magnetic field, this could pose serious challenges for any potential life forms. But if Proxima B has such protections, like Earth does, the possibilities are intriguing. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri, though much smaller and cooler than our Sun, account for 70% of all stars in the galaxy. If life can thrive around a red dwarf, it could mean the odds of finding habitable planets are much greater than previously believed. The Goldilocks zone isn't just about temperature, it's about the right conditions to support water, and potentially, life. Every observation the James Webb Space Telescope makes brings us closer to solving this cosmic mystery. As for the mysterious lights spotted by Webb, they could be natural phenomena, reflections from the planet's surface, or perhaps something more extraordinary, like the glow of city lights from an advanced alien civilization. Scientists are cautious, as they should be. We've been fooled before by what looked like alien signals, only to discover they had natural explanations. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't be excited. After all, every great discovery starts with curiosity and a question. What if? The James Webb Space Telescope has already given us more than we could have imagined. It's showing us that the universe is far more complex and strange than we ever thought. This planet is only one of thousands of exoplanets Webb will study, but it's a unique one. It's our closest neighbor, and it might just be the first place we find life beyond Earth. Whether it's simple microorganisms, complex organisms, or even an intelligent civilization, the possibility alone changes everything about how we see our place in the universe. Life, as we understand it, needs water, and where there's water, there could be life. The next major step for the Webb telescope is to search for signs of an atmosphere, gases like oxygen or methane that could hint at biological activity. This is no small task, and will require time and patience, but the effort is well worth it. Even if we detect traces of these gases, it won't be the definitive proof of life, but it will confirm we're heading in the right direction. The upcoming extremely large telescope, soon to be operational, will take this search even further by capturing finer details of the atmospheres of distant worlds. This advanced technology will help us determine if a planet has the right mix of gases to support life. If we do find such a planet, it will be a monumental discovery. Evidence that life might not be exclusive to Earth. Imagine gazing at a planet light years away and identifying signs of life. Even if it's just tiny microorganisms, it would prove that life can thrive, even in the most challenging conditions. This discovery would also remind us of extremophiles here on Earth, tiny organisms that thrive in seemingly impossible environments like boiling hot springs or deep-sea vents. Life, it seems, always finds a way. If life can thrive in these extreme environments, why not there? Maybe life there has adapted to the extreme temperature swings and high radiation. Life, after all, is resilient. The idea that this world could support life isn't as far-fetched as it once seemed. The lights on this world could be something natural, something alien, or something we don't yet understand. Whatever they are, they've sparked a curiosity that's impossible to ignore. They're making us look up at the stars again and wonder. The universe is vast, filled with countless stars and planets, each holding the potential to reshape our understanding of life itself. The journey is long, but the destination promises to be worth every effort. Humanity could be on the brink of its greatest discovery. The search for life on Proxima B is more than a scientific mission. It's a quest for meaning, connection, and understanding our place in the cosmos. Every discovery reminds us of our smallness and how far we've come. Proxima B waits, and with each new image and piece of data, we move closer to unlocking its mysteries. Perhaps we'll find that we are not alone. The universe holds its secrets patiently, and Proxima B is just the beginning. We will continue to explore, driven by the need to answer one of life's greatest questions. Are we alone? And the answer might be closer than we imagine. Are the lights on Proxima B natural phenomena, or could they be the signs of an alien civilization?